cramps, one of the fastest way that you recognize this person is you see this person sweating a lot. And as that is happening, when you touch the skin will be cold and clammy to touch. And another thing that you'll find that this person will be complaining about severe muscle cramping. When you look at the mental status, this person will be oriented. He knows where he is, oriented time, place, and event. He knows what's going on around. So he'll be able to explain to you everything. And because the patient is sweating, at this stage, the patient is losing sodium and water, which becomes our concern. Let's move to heat exhaustion. As I said, in heat cramps, the patient is losing water and sodium. So at this stage, it reached that time that now this person has, if the patient will keep losing that, you don't intervene, then at this point, you realize that this passes to the point that they get into hypovolemic shock. That is to say, they have lost a lot of fluids. So one thing that you can pick in this stage is that the patient will start to become confused, or sometimes he may be oriented. And again, when you reassess the skin at this point, the temperatures will be high again than in heat cramps. Since they're in hypovolemic shock, you look at the skin, it will be pale, cold, and clammy. What about the muscle cramping? In this, you may have the muscle cramping, or not necessary that you have muscle cramping. As this is happening, that is to tell us that the condition is moving to worse. And if you don't intervene here, or if you don't assist this person at this stage, or you get to heat stroke. So in heat stroke, this is a severe heat-related emergency, where you realize that the body was trying to compensate. At this time, then it's like now you've lost a lot of water to a point that there's no water in your body. So you realize that sweating will stop at this point. Apart from the sweating to stop, the mental status will be affected. This person will become confused, and as it persists again, you realize that this person can get into starting. This person can start convulsing, that he can experience some seizures. We'll find that the temperature at this point will be above 40 degrees Celsius. And when it comes to the skin, it will be hot and dry. With the muscle cramping, the absence of muscle cramping. So one thing, at least this is one of the worst stage. If you don't intervene, the patient can get. Let's look at the